Hi everyone, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. And yes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a haul with you all and it's Nykaa haul. I think I haven't done a Nykaa haul in a really long time, so I was like, why not do one? Yeah, so without blabbering much, let's jump right into the video. So guys, the first product that I have here with me is a primer and it's Mars ka it's Glow Clock Primer with green tea extract. Now let's talk about the packaging. It's in a mint green color, very aesthetic. Plus यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है it's crime to not prime, so that's very cool. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It's like a pump sort of a tube में ये primer आता है. I'll just show you the texture. So okay, that was easy to like pump out, so that's really cool. And इसका थोड़ा runny consistency है. Plus it's quite thick and sort of sticky, ठीक है, like chip वाला feel देगा थोड़ा ये आपको. This is how the finishing is going to be like. It's going to give you a very dewy, glowy sort of a finish. इसका जो वो formula है ना, like the consistency which is very chip sort of like sticky, ये मैंने पहले किसी primer में देखा नहीं है. Of course, it's Mars. You can always expect new things from them. You can always expect good things from this brand. And I've already used this like twice. Like I couldn't wait to use it, you know. इतने सुंदर तरीके से मेरा मेकअप सेट हुआ था ना इस प्राइमर के ऊपर. It's a really good primer. Plus it's affordable. It's for just a sec. Okay, so it's for $299 for 30 ml. मुझे ये Nykaa पे मिला था 284 का. So I think that's a good deal, guys. Try it if you haven't yet. I too loved it. So the next product that I have here with me is a concealer and it's from Inshot, their HD concealer. It's in the shade LN10. So ये ना मेरे skin tone से एक shade lighter है. I wanted like a highlighting sort of a concealer, so that's why I went for this shade. Inshot का ये जो concealer है, इसके आपके 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades available है. So that's like not bad. इसका जो price है ना 230 rupees for 9 grams of product. I got it for 207 rupees, which is again amazing. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. Totally screams high-end, guys. The wand is beautiful. I have used this concealer once. Let me just show you the shade. So this is how the shade looks like. You can totally say that ये काफी light है मेरे skin tone के हिसाब से. Plus it's so easy to blend, you guys. I mean, I'll just show you blend करके. Oh my god, that blended like magic. This concealer, it takes a really long time to crease. If you use a concealer properly, if you use it correct way में, तो ये काफी देर तक टिके रहते हैं. I mean, crease होने में time लगाते हैं. मेरा first impression बहुत अच्छा था जब मैंने इसको use किया था. Also, let me know, guys, if you would like to see a makeup tutorial where I'll be using all these new makeup products that I have got, and I would love to do that. Like, let me know in the comment section, okay? Alright, guys. So the product that I am so excited to talk about is this blush that I got from Inshot and it's in the shade Raspberry Gelato. This is how the blush looks like. It's super cute, super travel friendly. This one is just for ₹80. जब Inshot ने इसको launch किया था उन लोगों ने इसका price 75 रखा था. Now they have kept it as 80 and I have no complaints at all. The price that I got it for is 72 rupees. I totally cannot imagine a blush for 70 or 80 rupees until I met this, of course, until I saw this. Let me show you the color. Doesn't have a very strong smell, so that's a really good thing. It's super pigmented. मुझे लगता है मैंने काफी ज़्यादा उठा लिया है. Oh my god, it's so easy to blend as well. Okay, I need to try it. And we'll blend it out. Oh, that's so good. कितना natural लग रहा है यार. You can always go overboard with your blush. I mean, I literally do that all the time. You can totally see the difference. I think Inshot has 4 or 5 shades in this. I think I'm totally going to invest in more. This is so beautiful. This is so good. So guys, the last product that I have for this haul in makeup category, and that is your makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty, and it's in natural. It has got aloe vera with vitamin E. So this is how it looks like. It's very travel friendly guys. कितना छोटू and cute सा है. Plus मैंने ना इसको अभी तक यूज नहीं किया, so I won't be able to tell you कि किस तरीके से आपको आपके मेकअप को सेट करता है. But yeah, you can use this one before your makeup as well as a setting spray. Plus guys, this is highly affordable. ठीक है, इसका जो प्राइस है वो है 249 and I got it for rupees 270. If you are looking out for an affordable category का makeup fixer, then you should definitely check this out. Swiss Beauty का है, you can totally trust this brand as well. So guys, the next product that I got is under your skincare category. So it's this Sanfe का Glide Face Razors. इसके दो साथ में आते हैं. इसका जो प्राइस है that is 188 rupees and I got it for 139 rupees. Also, I have never ever shaved my face before, so I was really scared कि यार कट वट जाएगा, खून वून निकल जाएगा, मेरी फट के हाथ में आ जाएगी. But then one of my friends told me कि कुछ नहीं होता है. Like she literally told me कि ऐसे ऐसे करके करना, आराम से करना, सब सही होगा. So उसी खातिर मैंने ये रिस्क लेते हुए मैंने ये दो रेजर्स ले लिए हैं. आई वॉज लकी इनफ टू गेट 2 रेजर्स फॉर दिस प्राइस. दैट टू Sanfe का है एंड दे आर रियली गुड. ऑल्सो इसके लिए आई गॉट दिस प्रोडक्ट एज वेल. दिस इज योर बोरो प्लस का एलोवेरा जेल, ऑर्गेनिक एलोवेरा जेल. आई डोंट नो ये कितना नेचुरल है या नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें ना एक बहुत वियर्ड सा स्मेल है. ठीक है, yes, it has a very strong sort of a smell, but it does the job guys. पहली बार मैंने जब इसको यूज करके शेव करा है ना, मुझे लिटरली कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं फील हुआ. बीइंग अ बिगिनर यू नीड टू यूज एलोवेरा जेल. आई मीन समथिंग एज अ lubricant you have to use to shave. I don't know how much you all can say because of course आप लोगों ने मेरा before after ऐसे देखा नहीं है, but I can totally see the difference on my skin after shaving. It's so good. And I was like, why haven't I done this before? Alright guys, finally the last product for this video is this body mist from Wottagirl. It's in Mystic Island. The smell is so good. It's so good. I mean, with every splash, it smells like luxury, luxury, luxury. I literally, after every shower, I spritz this on my body. I mean, especially here and here. And I smell good the whole day. I literally loved it. It's for rupees 225 for 135 ml, which is good. Good deal because I got it for 183 or 184 rupees from Nykaa. I always wanted to try these layer के body splashes, but okay, I wanted to try. Sorry, okay. इसका एक कॉन है which is the ढक्कन. I would have told you that it's very travel friendly and all, but नहीं बोल सकती because इसका जो ढक्कन है ना वो काफ़ी ढीला है guys. इसका जो स्मेल है वो काफ़ी strong नहीं है, काफ़ी mild भी नहीं है. It's very middle-ish, ठीक है. It does stay for a good 6 to 7 hours, so it's a good deal. Alright guys, so that was it for this Nykaa haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you want, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you are updated whenever I post a new video. I will see you in my next video real soon. Also, all the links for the following products, you will find it in my description box. So you can definitely check out the description box. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Take care guys.